all this hair loss on my head happens because of this radioactive lens. Is that right?
Well, if the lens is that powerful, maybe it's secretly giving you a new style. Yes, if your lens is one of the older Takumar models with 6 aperture blades, it likely does have that thorium coating. That was a common feature. So Jay, what do you think? Do you want to take this lens outside with your Rikamoto and do another shoot on the beach?
Make sure you're gonna take your sunscreen, and we're gonna start the shoot.
Fuck you, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jay, and today we're gonna shoot 30-second ad for our partner, for Jewelry brand, and I will guide you how to shoot without crew, without lights, and by solo filmmaking here on this beautiful tropical location. So stick to us for a few minutes and let's go. Okay, so let's speed. That's it. Okay, yeah, go ahead. Okay, don't use too much spray. Just put it in the bag, take it off, you know. Okay, cut. So now the idea is to get to the beach, starting to shoot according to our storyboard. The next shot will be the model walking on the sand, and then we need to get a shot of her, the same walking scene, but this time from the drone and through the trees, through the palm trees. So that's gonna be our next shot. So this is the way we walk.
The next shot is gonna be a model walking with the cookies.
Yeah, so the cookies is the most important thing we have with us today for our lunch.
To save us from the
hunger. Okay, let's go. We're gonna settle down here. It's gonna be our sound stage. So the shoot we're going to do now is a static drone shot, and I'm gonna do it through that trees right over there. So we need to fly the drone through these trees without hitting it, which happens pretty often. And it's gonna be static shot, and also I will do the motion shot. Let's see if it's gonna work fine. Okay, so now we're starting the drone.
When you watch the video, it may look simple. Even more basic shots take time. Each scene needs multiple takes, a clean setup and attention to every little detail. But making it look great, the most challenging part.
Trying to get one shot of feet walking on the sand. Okay, go to the edge of the water. Slightly here. Okay, wait. Okay, ready? Just go back and now go forward. Let's take some shots of the palm. Yeah, near this rock, I think. So you just need to put it down. Yeah, let me take another camera, so we're gonna do that. Ready? 1, 2, let's go. Wait, let's do it again. Put it down, it's okay. Put it down. And then you need to set the basket. So the next scene is in our storyboard is setting up a picnic here on the sand. So our model needs to lay down the towel on the sand, and then she will put the basket on and start to taking out the things. Let's do a couple of shots. I'm gonna do one from here, and then, yeah, keep your back straight, please. You ready? 1, 2, let's go. Okay, let's put it back and let's do another shot from a different angle. Just gonna do it from here. You ready? 1, 2, let's go. One more time. Okay, go ahead. Open the basket. Look inside. Okay, take out. Keep your back straight. Sit more straight. Stop. Okay, this is what happens sometimes. Alright guys, so the next shot will be from inside of the basket. We're gonna set this camera and this 12mm Samyang lens, which is equivalent on the crop to 18mm, inside of the basket, and our model gonna pick up the fruit from the basket. Let's see how it's gonna work or not. And also I'm gonna do another shot with Sigma 14 to 24, but this lens is quite big, so we have to use the old school Samyang 12mm. Let's see if this works.
So when I was preparing myself, I took a few lenses with me. One of them was Sigma 14 to 24, and another one was randomly found at Samyang 12mm from my Blackmagic. So I was trying to get a shot with this Sigma, but for this task it was too big. So I had to use my 7 years old Samyang 12mm, which is equivalent to 18, and that lens worked really well. So now we're gonna use this knife to cut our watermelon, and the next shot will be generally the fingers on the watermelon. So basically we need to show generally on the fingers, and it's gonna be our next shot. Now the season of watermelons. You ready? One, two, let's go. Okay, stay like this, don't move. Yeah. And 1, 2, bite. And look, yeah. More down, put it down, more down. Wait to cut. 1, 2. Okay, and change the page. I don't know, doesn't look native. Okay, 1, 2, we're speeding, and you change the cut weight. Alright, this is good. 1, 2. Alright, change it. Yeah, go ahead. And look through the book. Cut weight. Okay, 1, 2, look. Look more right. Yeah, and now look in the book. Okay, and change the page. And look through. Look right, left. Alright, look in the book and change the page. Okay, cut, wait, hold on. And now just touch your jewelry a bit, like you're reading the book, and touching it a little bit. No, that on the neck. Okay, let's do one more time. Don't keep your hand like this. Okay. You just lean the head a little bit, like you're reading. Enjoy, yeah. And look around. Alright. Okay, you ready? 1, 2. Okay, put it a little bit. Yeah. Okay. No. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Good. Yeah. Go a little bit here. Go. Slowly. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2. Let's go. Okay. Good. So folks, only one thing left pretty much here in this short shoot for today. We're gonna do the water splash. I'm gonna use my Sony a7S III plus 18 to 35 in water housing, and we're gonna do some water splashes in slow motion, and let's see if it's gonna work or not. Unfortunately, I don't have my ND filter for Sony, so that's mean the water splashes will be sucks, but we'll see what we're gonna get. So let's try to do that. Okay guys, this is pretty much it. I hope you liked the shots that we did today with the Takumar.
1.4, cheap and affordable lens, and I really like the quality of this lens, how it renders the shots. I left it on the sun, open sun, for a few days, so it lost this yellowish kind of look, and now it's more clear. Leave your thoughts, what do you think about it? Please help us with the subscription. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, because we're trying to get 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe if you didn't do that, and see you in the next one.